In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Google Developer in Google Workspace. Whether you're setting up a new feature or just exploring the plethora of tools at your disposal, enabling the Google Developer can open the door to many possibilities. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to go to Google Workspace. This is your central hub for managing all things Google in a business environment. Having access to the Google Workspace is crucial as it's the gateway to a host of administrative and configuration options. Once you're there, you'll need to click on the Admin Console. This console is the control center for your Workspace account, where you manage user access and settings across your organization. You'll be required to log in using your business email. Enter your credentials and click Next. It's a seamless process, but always ensure you're using the correct email associated with your Workspace account. This is important because administrative privileges are tied to specific emails. Now look to the top right of your screen. You should find the Google Apps menu. Click on this and then locate the admin icon. This icon is your direct link to a suite of configuration and management tools. Clicking on it will lead you into the broader area where all application settings are available to adjust as needed. Once you're in the admin area, your next step is to click on Apps. This section comprises all the applications under your Google Workspace domain. Here you manage everything from basic apps like Gmail to more advanced settings with third-party applications. Following this, find and click on Additional Google Services. This area is often overlooked but is crucial to unlocking additional functionalities that Google offers. Inside here, you'll be granted access to a range of various services that complement the basic Google Workspace offerings. Next, on your list is to locate and click on Google Developer. This is what you've been setting up for. Enabling Google Developer gives your account the capability to tap into technical features and APIs provided by Google. But before those functionalities can be used, you need to take one final step. Now you turn on the service status. By doing this, you essentially activate the Google Developer for your account. Be sure to double check that the status is set to on. This ensures that all the tools and services are accessible to you whenever you need them. Finally, remember to click on Save. This is a crucial step as it secures all your changes and makes the settings active. Without clicking save, none of the changes will take effect. And you'd have to go through the process again. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully turned on Google Developer in Google Workspace. Remember, enabling these services can significantly enhance how you leverage Google's suite of tools. With more power at your fingertips, you can explore new areas and potentially discover functionalities that may greatly benefit your workflow and productivity. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with Google.